Okay, what you're looking at here is the sinkhole repair job that's been going on now for, geez, almost a year and a half. It was quite a project. You can see the workers down here. Looks like they're taking a lunch break right now. And I have no idea what they're really doing here. Looks like they're putting some new pipes in. That sinkhole occurred back in February of 2018, right in front of those two houses. And I guess the storm drain collapsed, and that caused the sinkhole. And these guys are installing that drain. I guess it's going to still take another 40 days before this is done. Real big project. This has got to cost about $1.5 million easy for all this work to be done. And here's the other side of the street. This is over in the village of Calumet Grove. They're installing that pipe. Geez, it looks to me like, I'm guessing maybe 200 yards worth of new sewer pipe that was affected from that sinkhole. Like I said, I'd say it's at least another month and a half before they're going to be done. And it's created a detour here over by the Calumet Grove Pool and Postal Station. Just have to have patience over here until they get this done. It's a shame when this happens, but you know, sinkholes can happen anywhere in the villages. It could happen anywhere in Florida. So I just wanted to give you an update. It's been a few months since I've been over here, so go ahead and leave your comments. Take care, everyone.